So today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to replace your ARMITRON watch battery, and also on how to reset it. So as you see, the battery still works, but when I press the light, it's gonna disappear. So that means it is low battery. So you're gonna flip over on the back of the watch. You're gonna reveal those Phillips screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So yeah, I'm going to remove them. Either a 00 screwdriver. So yeah, make sure you press down firmly before you turn it, or it's going to strip the head on the screw. And make sure you don't lose the screws. So yeah, normally on the back of the watch, it will say, tell you what kind of battery it requires. Let's see, this one says so or not. So yeah, this one doesn't say. So you're going to remove the back cover. Normally that's a speaker, okay? So there's a sticker right here. It also tells you on how to reset them. It says to restart or reset. After changing the battery, short circuit the 2 points to each other as indicated by the reset arrow. So as you can see, the reset arrow is right here. You need to, after you install the brand new battery, you're gonna press, touch it like a thin wire or paper clip or a flathead screwdriver, and just touch those 2 points, and that should reset. And in order to remove this battery clip, you need to unlock it right here with a flathead screwdriver or like a needle screwdriver, and then yank it out upward. So I use my Phillips. So now you could take it out the battery. And this one is the CR2025 3-volt lithium-ion battery, coin cell battery. I'm gonna get the one that I got from Power Owl. It's a trusted brand. I got some at the collaboration. I got it for free, but with this 2025, I purchased with my own money. So yeah. So yeah, this is the 15 pack that I got from Amazon. Coin Cell Battery Pro CR2025. So I need to cut it open and then pop out the battery. It's an individual seal, which is good. And then you're gonna press down the clip and it's automatically locked in to its place. But somehow it shows 12 already, so it got reset. Probably due to low battery or low cell. But if you need to reset it, you just need to touch those 2 points. Let's see. Got my plier, I'm going to touch it. So it's just reset to 12. There you go. And that's how you reset. So when you put back the cover, make sure there's a spring right here. And it's touching the small speaker right here. For the alarm clock or the beeping sound. So you don't hear anything, that means you put the cover upside down or something. Or not getting the contact. So after many years, somehow the rubber watch band become brittle. So in order to change it, you need to unscrew the fiddle screw on both sides. Just take it out. By the way, those screws are different, okay? So just unscrew on both sides. So this must be the pin, so I need to use a flathead screwdriver to yank it from between the band and the watch casing. I think the screw is only for aesthetic look, so yeah, I use this prying tool to pry out the pin, and now the old watch band could come out. So the screw was just for the aesthetic look. And that is the pin right there. So be sure to jam it where you could push down the spring and you could get it out. So I forgot to put this one in, so I don't really need it. So it's making the sound. Let me put the back cover correctly. Anyway, that's how you change your battery for this ARMITRON watch, sports watch. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.